We're at 1668 Tamarack Street, doing an update video number 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8, I forgot which. But come on in, we'll walk you through.
All the lights are installed into the wall.
All lights installed.
The switches are done.
All switches done.
All the repairs on the wall has been done.
All right, are we ready to...
We already have the electric.
So we can close this?
Yes, we already have the electric.
Okay.
We have the TV cable in here.
Okay, we're gonna clean this up, right?
Yeah, all this is gonna be closed up.
All right.
They're doing the garage first.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
And ready for tile.
All right,
and
good.
for Durock.
Okay, very good, very good.
We opened up this and put the additional insulation that we had from
All right,
before.
we're gonna trim that out and drop it?
Yes.
And this trim is done, so
And
we're
this one
almost,
is done.
we're almost ready to paint here, right?
Yes.
Now, we're doing a 6-footer right here, right?
Doing 6 foot, right?
Yeah, 6-footer. Yeah, that's gonna be solid right there. Master bedrooms, sleeping quarters. We gotta tighten this up.
We just have to put the trim underneath.
Okay, we're just gonna trim that out?
Yes.
All right, good enough. All right, and you got a price for the deck railing as well, right?
I have a price for the railing, for the deck, and for the stairs.
Okay.
Coming down.
The stairs are already in.
Yeah, but we need railing.
Okay, gotcha.
We need railing on the stairs.
Gotcha.
This room is basically ready.
It's ready to go. So just got to trim up top a little bit.
This is already trimmed.
Okay.
Trimmed for the door.
Just trim around it, right?
Yes.
And then we're good.
The trim will come in after that.
All right, then
And the
we're
door.
going to trim after.
After we get the
Now,
door.
how are we going to clean this up, Ray?
We're gonna trim it.
You want to trim it?
Yeah, trim it.
You got it? All right.
Okay, the washer dryer machine is all hooked up. The hose, the special water lines are in.
And everything's proper.
Yes, everything's proper.
We got the...
PC is ready to go.
Uh-huh.
Washer dryer down here is ready to go.
Now, that line right there is coming from the sump pump, right?
The pipe is coming
Yeah,
from the
yeah.
sump
And it's running all the way
Right,
around.
and that's
to
for
drop
the-
it into, yeah.
into the sump pump.
Water heater?
You have the hot water heater, you have the AC,
Uh-huh.
you have the pool, and you have the stove.
There you go. Boom. You ready to close the panel? Right? What's
Once
going on
we're
right
done.
here? What's this one? What's going
This one
on?
is for your cable.
There you go.
This is a box for the television.
There you go. All right, so we close this block, close this room up. We'll have a nice wine room or something like that. We'll hook it up. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. And then down here you put in the French drain before.
The French drain is done.
Basement is now bone dry.
You can see the wall.
Yep. And we had a lot of rain this week.
Yes.
Yep.
You can see the wall. And the garage.
The garage.
The garage, we're putting drywall and putting new electric power in it. And then you're all set.
Then we're ready to go. So we got, what, 2 more weeks? I got to get out of here in 2 weeks. We got to work hard.